Okay, I get it. I get it. I know you've just clicked on the thumbnail. I'm gonna make this into a diesel, but before you get angry, give me a chance. Okay, so let me tell you a bit more then about the BMW. This particular one, it was a car of my own actually, so I know it's got a good history. It just hasn't been run for a while. We put it off the road for mechanical reasons that aren't related to the good things that we want from this, which is awesome. And it had a lot of the usual BMW electrical issues with sensors and stuff and airbags and things like that. The car then, 535D, that means it's a 3-litre twin turbo diesel. They produce around 280 horsepower from standard and heaps of torque being a diesel. Comes with a 6-speed automatic ZF gearbox. So the car itself's been sat here for some time. We use it around the yard for moving things and basically like a shop truck, but it's had a really, really good life before that and before the electrical issues that it had. So we know it's a good engine, we know it's a good transmission, and we know it's going to be perfect for this. And the Lincoln, well, just a cool car. Super, super cool car. All black, completely blacked out. Those really, really cool looking white wall tyres. We've got a lot we're going to do to this, and that's not just the engine and transmission. We're going to tidy the rest of the car up, but it's a really, really good example. Okay, so what are we actually doing? Well, we're going to take the engine and gearbox out of this BMW and put it into this 1969 Lincoln Continental. So we'll end up with a straight 6 3-litre BMW diesel with 6 speeds. We're going to add paddle shifters and a column shifter as well for good measure. So we're going to pull the engine from the BMW, take it along with the transmission, the 6-speed automatic gearbox. We're going to tear it down to a core engine. We're going to recondition the injectors, the injection pump. It's going to have all new ancillaries. Turbos are going to get reconditioned. We're going to put it all back together on the floor, get it running before it goes anywhere near the Lincoln. Then we're going to do a similar sort of thing with the transmission. So we're going to open her up, go through it, make sure it's well serviced. We're not looking to rebuild them because we know they come from a good donor. So we're just going to service them, give them the head start that they need. We'll give the engine a little tweak, a map. The Lincoln itself's in fantastic condition, it really is. But bringing it to the UK, it's been here a few weeks and it's already seen a ton of rain and snow. and this morning it was frosted over. So we're going to go through it. All the sheet metal's fine, but we're going to rust proof everything, so there'll be a ton of buzzwell going on everywhere. The bodywork's okay, but it's not amazing, so we're going to go through it, get a bit of paint on the exterior as well, and just bring it back up to top spec. Wheels and tyres are going to stay the same, but we've got a little tweak on those that I want to do. Interior needs a bit of love, so it might need a retrim. Some of the inside's ripped and torn and not in the best condition that it could be, so we might look at getting those retrimmed. And at the end of the day, we'll have a really, really unique, cool sleeper that will fit in over here but stand out at the same time. So whether you love the project or you hate it, you want to tell me how brilliant it is or how much I'm ruining an American classic, stick it in the comments. Let us know if you've got any ideas that you think we should be taking care of, any improvements you want us to make. It's keeping that diesel low. Let us know in the comments. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share it with your friends, tell them how terrible this is going to be, but share it. When all said and done, the Lincoln will be one very, very cool car.